Hi techies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach the elastic IP address in EC2 instance, which is up and running our application. So in order to do performance, so we record for the AWS management console. So already I have a AWS management console. So I just to log in my Google Chrome. So already I have logged in my AWS console. So I'm going with for a service called EC2 in order to create a new instance. So click on that. Launch EC2 instance. We can bring name for our EC2 instance like DevOps EC2. Copy, come to here. Then select Ubuntu AMS. Any of this. And the instance type that should be T2 micro. Select T2 micro. You can click here. So T2 micro. Then you can keep existing keyword or create a new keyword. So I can give name of DevOps EC2, create a keyword. Then leave it as it is for default one and launch instance. So it may take some time. Let's wait for some. So now we can see the notification successfully initiated launch of EC2 instance. This is our EC2 instance ID. Click on that. Our instance running state and also status checks installation. And moving to next step, we have a elastic IP address. You can see here in left menu, we have a elastic IP address. Click on that. Allocate elastic IP address here and region, and next allocate. So we need to bring on this name. Click on DevOps IP, copy. You can give it a name as IPs, save it. So let's wait for some time to our instance checks has been completed or not. So we have to wait for a few minutes and refresh it again. Still it's in progress seems, so we can wait for few minutes. Okay, now status check has been completed. Next step, we need to associate it with our elastic IP address to our EC2 instance. So for that, we need to go to elastic IP address. And select tick box and come to here for action, associate elastic IP address. Click on that. Then choose instance. So we need to select our whatever we created for our EC2 instance. We need to select it and associate it. So this is what we need to associate elastic IP address to our EC2 instance that is hosted in our application. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.